okay. It's been a while since I did this, but anyway, not developing Naikari, but streaming it. I mean, it's been a while since I've done a lot of work on Naikari because it's been slow going lately. But I don't know. Nobody ever watches these, but I don't know. It's a little bit of extra motivation for me. So as if I see this view counter and it goes from 0 to 1, I will be very impressed. I don't need that. And there, I got the chat thing open, and I'll just reorganize things so I can actually see that. So, got my engines plan document here. Basically just completely redoing, I've just been completely redoing the engines, and I'm almost done. I just have to make these 2 engines. Those are crossouts. Yeah. So the Flex Javelin was once called the Crane Remige engine, and I did a bunch of name changes for the engines because I was looking into like where the names came from in Nive. Crane Remige engine seems to be a reference to the fact that a kestrel is a bird, and I might be saying it wrong, but Remige or Remige, however you say it, is like a bird feather or something. So then somebody copied that for the Pentagium engine, which Pentagium is like part of a bat wing, but it doesn't make a lot of sense in that case because it's for a ship called Starbridge, which is not a bird last time I checked, and it's not a bat either. But anyway, so I just came up with my own naming convention. So for stuff, and basically we got the different sizes, and we got mini, basic, advanced, and cargo. Cargo is basically the same as before. Instead of Melendez, it's NGL, but otherwise it's the same. These I'm going to be deleting, but I just haven't gotten around to that yet. Flex does both the mini and the advanced engines. So the advanced engines are the ones that were previously from Tricon. So I changed the name to Flex, and Flex is also going to handle these mini engines, which include the former Remige engine, which I'm renaming to the Flex Javelin. And then you have the Flex Arrow, and the Flex Bullets, and the Flex Dart, and the Flex Bolt. That one I need to do too. So these are okay. I need to remind myself what exactly I was doing with the okay, so if I look at the Flex Dart engine, I was reneging with how I should do the engine limit. So I settled on 200, so quite low engine limit. And I was comparing it to the Ox engine, so I guess I decided Ox engine gets a bit of a higher engine limit. It's It's also significantly slower and has more fuel, of course. But then Exacorp Hawk 300 is slower than the Ox engines. So. Well, I mean slower speed, more maneuverable. Okay. I wonder if that makes any noise when somebody actually jumps in. Putting my stream on, okay. Looks like I will have one viewer, and that one viewer is somebody that I know. Yes, you jumped. Hello. Should I just call you Crisis Model, or can I use your name? I'll just call you Crisis Model until you say otherwise. Okay. All right, then I'll call you Autumn. Hello. I am just bouncing around, trying to get my head on straight. Yes, that is you. Oh. Let's see, so what was I doing with price here? Very, very straight. Did I say straight somewhere? I don't remember saying straight, but oh, you know what? Yeah, like I was talking about getting focused. No, I will not. I will not go straight. Yes, don't you worry. I'll keep my head just as gay as before. Let me see. So we got the dart. Queer pride. Alright, so we got dart engine. I was saying, oh right, so this is faster than the cargo engine. And has lower mass limit, so alright, so I believe in that case Javelin and or no, not Javelin, Dart, Hawk, Dart, Hawk. Okay, so it's pretty similar, but it's got a lower mass limit and more speed, a little bit more thrust, and a little bit more turn. Okay. Okay, so for this one, the Flex Bullet engine, I will copy the Exacorp Falcon engine, and we'll call it Flex Bullet engine. And we'll change the name in here to Flex Bullet engine. This is the boring development work. Oh yeah, how's the mass differ? But, oh, mass is the same, and I made price quite a bit higher That's probably as compared to the Flex FR2 engine, actually. So that means that the bullet needs to compare to... Wait a second, this is wrong, actually. Hold up, engines plan. This would actually be the analog to the bullet is analog to the javelin. Okay. But I think it's a similar idea, just a bit of a lower mass limit. So that is a variation on the Eagle 4500. All right, doing it in a different order than I expected. And it's also kind of related to the Typhoon engine. All right, so we got the one. Yeah, it's a little bit more expensive than that. Okay. Tiny bit faster than the Typhoon engine. Okay, so for this, we need to actually look at the Flex Cyclone engine. And focus is not my best skill. Okay, so we got the Flex bullet engine, so we gotta take a look at the Cyclone engine, make it kind of a little bit faster than that. So what's the difference here? The Javelin. So it's a difference of 10 speed, 5 thrust, 5 turns. So I guess probably 245 speed. A lot of this is just guesswork. You know, how should I do it? How shouldn't I do it? Whatever. All right, and thrust and turn we'll do. So how does the Cyclone fare? So we got, I could just do 135 and 120. How does the Javelin compare to it? Maybe I should boost it to like 140 actually, and 130. I think that's probably, or not 130, 125. 125. I think that makes sense. Oh, right, energy cost. Is energy cost supposed to be the same? Okay, so it's supposed to be just slightly more than... Okay, so this, in that case, should be... There's the oh, I need to look at the Exacorp Falcon 700 engine. Right? Right. Oh, that's where it is. Here I am losing track of tabs. I always do that. I guess then I should have a regen malice of 7, aka energy usage, and I don't know how different should the price be. I guess kind of in between, a little bit closer to the Falcon than the Cyclone. So maybe, I don't know, 220,000. I don't know, the prices might change a lot anyway. Oh, let's just go with 220,000. It's close enough, I figure. Prices are like the most changeable part because like they're just kind of arbitrary. And should be the same mass. Javelin. Yeah, I'm just doing the same mass. That makes it easier to balance. Oh, and mass limit should be a little bit lower. How much is a little bit? I think I probably should make it like let's see here. So 100 less for that. How about, yeah, I think I should make it like 500. Get a difference of 200. There we go. That makes sense to me. And this stuff can always be changed in the future. Okay, that seems fine. Actually, you know, maybe I should actually boost the speed to 250. Actually, just to check, how different is the Dart engine from the Zephyr 2? Oh, that's a difference of 25. Okay, so that's basically the same then. Yeah, that makes sense, I think. That makes sense. Alright, there we go. Flex bullet engine. That one is done. I can cross that off of the list. All this I want to get all this engine work done. It's not like necessary to do everything that I want, but like it's just something I really want to get out of the way. Oh. Oh, let's see here. Fuck. I was going to work on this one, and this one, and so that's the next one, I guess. So for that one, Flex Arrow, I would copy the medium heavy engine. And that would be the Falcon 1200. And we'll copy paste, rename Flex Arrow. Rename it here as well, Flex Arrow. Whoops, not Railrow. Arrow engine. It's not a rare O engine. It's a very common O engine. I need to compare as well with the Flex Cyclone 2 engine. And I also actually want to look at the NGL Buffalo engine. Okay, so that has an engine limit of 950. Probably, I want to make this engine limit like 900. Then we go to the Dart. Yeah, that's actually a little bit inconsistent. That's fine though. Point is, I want it to be in between these, probably. Oh wait, that's the Falcon 700. Why am I looking at the Falcon 700? I want to look at the Falcon 1200. There we go. I can shove that up there somewhere. Huh. I wonder why I made the Ox engine the cheapest. Seems a little bit backwards. Alright. So for this, I'll do, I don't know, like 31, 310,000, whatever. These numbers will probably need adjustment. Prices are just like not. But like the thing about prices is that they're kind of arbitrary, so I can always change them. If I This is the one I was working on, right? Okay. Probably want it to be, I don't know, maybe an energy regen malice of like 12. That's kind of like in between them. And that kind of works. Speed and turn should be a bit faster than the Cyclone 2. Oh, let me compare. So the Javelin and the Typhoon is 10 and 5. Okay, so 10 and 5, and we did 20 and 10 over there. So this one should probably be a difference of like, I don't know, 15 and whatever. Okay, so we can do 190 speed. And we can do like, I don't know, 110 thrust and 95 turn, maybe? Why not? That works. It's not an exact science. Oh, right, I need to put the engine numbers. So this one, the flex arrow, is going to be engine 3 for the image. This is engine 3.webp and flex. Where's the other one? Flex dart. That's the other one. No, wait, no, that's not the other one that I did. Flex bullet. That's the other one that I did. Flex bullet should be pentagium. Okay. I think it's just called pentagium.webp. No, it's called Crane Pentagium Engine. .webp, I believe. All right, but I think this is good, probably. So yeah. I think that does the job. Oh shit! What did I just do? I don't want to change that. Oh, add an extra space to make translation more inconvenient. All right. I need to go to tech. I need to add these. Where is it? Oh, here it is. So we got the flex dart engine. I'm just trying to copy the same ordering, so I guess flex. Flex bullet engine and engine. Those are the new ones, right? Yep. Alright, so I got those in at least the all tech group. Now if I run this, I wonder if it'll actually show up in as a window capture. Nope, it's not showing up as a window capture just because it hasn't been selected. Oh, I forgot that I changed the subtitle. Alright, let's see here. Missing invalid graphics story elements. Okay, that's what I was wondering might happen. Okay, so no, it's not Crane Pentagium Engine.webp, so let me just figure out what it is. Might just be called pentagium.webp like I thought, but only one way to find out for sure. Graphics. Outfit. Yeah, outfit. for, I think it's pentagium. Oh no, it's not called pentagium something. Do I not have it? Is it called crane? Oh, patagium. Okay. I've been misreading that the entire time. Patagium. Alrighty. So that goes under flex bullet. Crane patagium engine. Alrighty. Now let's try it. It should work. Alright, there we go. We didn't have any errors this time. So if I load this, I get some errors just that are from stuff that I still need to do, but that's fine. There are nothing errors, and there we go. Flex bullet engine and flex arrow engine. I don't know if this ordering... Oh wait, you know what? That is consistent ordering, come to think of it. I wonder if I should swap these. I might consider doing that. I did a lot of scheming for which images should go to which engines, but I don't know. Looking at it, I think that this might actually be the wrong choice, and maybe this should go here, this should go here, and this should go here, or something, but I guess we'll have to find out at some point. There's the Javelin engine. There's going to be another one that's kind of similar to that. Another thought is this could go here. Ah, no. I'll have to think about it. Swap those two maybe, and then I could like swap those two. I don't know. It's hard to decide. Hard to decide. Okay. Are you sure you want to quit Naikari? Ship stealing mission's broken. Ship stealing mission I might just get rid of. Oh yeah, it's looking for Zalek test, which was deleted. Well, I got 2 engines done. That's pretty good, honestly. Only 1 engine left to go, and then I'll be done with the engines part, which is the boring part. So I'm happy with that. And yeah, I think I've done enough. It doesn't feel like very much, but like it never feels like very much. But gotta do in baby steps. Getting burnt out isn't gonna help me any. So we git add all git commit, and I did not mean to type an apostrophe there. Added flex bullet and flex arrow engines. Git push Oh, alright. And then there's also this universe redesign, which I still want to do. I just got a bunch of random notes here for thoughts about the universe redesign. And some of it is just really vague and only I would understand it, and some of it is just like it's all just kind of a vague outline. Oh, all right. I guess I am done with this for now. So I'll just give these a close. And thanks, Autumn, for watching. You've been my only live viewer ever so far. And end stream.